Boating happening in the Haflong with Priscilla. And your good name? How's Sanjay? Okay. Ding 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 ding. We cross the bridge. Auntie party, jealous happening. Wow, Haflong Bridge, hanging bridge. Oh भैया ब्रिज में ना जाएगा, ब्रिज में बड़ा वाला ब्रिज में चलो. अभी हम लोग ब्रिज के लिए निकल रहा है, ब्रिज के लिए. आराम से भाई, आराम से. Scary, scary. U-turn. Turn. Run. Yeah, Asao and Martina. Jangan nak ni pakai mare. Jangan nak ni nunggu apa? Prongkin apa? Mana papi tak kau kena. So this is my first time boating in Haflong. So excited. And ding is happening here. We are crossing the bridge. This is Priscilla. So stylish. Sitting with a boy and this is the place where we start. इधर चलो भाई. Hi. Wait for the next turn. Martina and Asao. Now we are going back where we start. This will be the end of today. Bye bye. Woohoo!
I like it. I like it so much.
Yes.